Let's explore the incredible world of venomous creatures and their mind-blowing survival strategies. Toxicity isn't just a weapon. It's a complex biochemical challenge that requires some truly remarkable evolutionary adaptations. The fundamental challenge: toxic self-preservation. Imagine carrying around a deadly chemical weapon inside your own body. For venomous animals, this isn't a hypothetical scenario. It's everyday life. These creatures face a critical problem. How do you maintain a lethal defense mechanism without accidentally destroying yourself in the process? Evolutionary defensive strategies. Explained. 1. Genetic modification. The molecular firewall. Poison dart frogs are like the ultimate biological hackers. Their entire defense system is based on a microscopic architectural change. These tiny amphibians have evolved nerve proteins with a slightly different molecular structure that prevents their own toxins from binding. It's like having a uniquely shaped lock that only their specific key can open. How precise is this modification? We're talking about changes so minute that they involve just a few amino acid alterations in protein structures. These tiny changes are enough to create complete immunity while maintaining the toxin's effectiveness against predators. It's molecular engineering at its finest, evolution's own precision toolkit. 2. Biochemical neutralization. The internal cleanup crew. The pitahui bird demonstrates an even more sophisticated approach. Instead of preventing toxin binding, these birds produce special sponge proteins that can immediately detect toxic molecules, bind to these molecules, render them completely harmless, quickly remove them from the bloodstream. This is essentially like having microscopic hazmat teams constantly patrolling your body, ready to neutralize any potential threat instantaneously. 3. Spatial isolation. The biological vault. Some creatures like murder hornets and black widow spiders take a more mechanical approach. They physically segregate their toxic compounds in specialized glands that are completely isolated from their main body systems. It's like having a quarantined toxic storage facility within their own anatomy. Interesting fact: these isolation mechanisms are so precise that even if the venom gland were accidentally punctured, the toxins would remain contained and ineffective. 4. Activation mechanisms. The biochemical puzzle lock. The slow loris takes toxin management to an entirely new level. Its venom is completely inert until specific chemical conditions are met. Only when the venom contacts saliva does it transform into an active, dangerous compound. This is like having a poison that requires a complex, multi-step activation process. Think of it as a biological escape room where multiple precise conditions must be met to unlock toxic potential. The ultimate champion, the Egyptian cobra. This snake isn't just playing the toxic survival game. It's mastered every single strategy. Genetically modified nerve proteins, specialized venom storage glands, acid-based temporary deactivation system, cleanup proteins that neutralize any leaked toxins. It's basically the special forces of the animal kingdom when it comes to toxic self-defense. Broader implications and evolutionary significance. These strategies reveal something profound about biological adaptation. They showcase how evolution doesn't just create weapons, but incredibly sophisticated, multi-layered defense mechanisms that balance lethality with self-preservation. Each of these strategies represents millions of years of evolutionary refinement, a testament to the incredible complexity of life's survival mechanisms. The next time you think about venomous creatures, remember, they're not just dangerous, they're walking or slithering masterclasses in biochemical engineering. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to channel for more videos. Remember, they're not just dangerous, they're walking or slithering masterclasses in biochemical engineering. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to channel for more videos.